sarili ko. Napakaganda ko, no?
Go! My name?
My name is Vince Vergantine.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
12 years old. What do you do? Are you studying? Are you working?
Nan.
None. Siya maging none. Okay. None. Do you have a motto in life, Vincent? Do you have a motto?
Wala.
Why? Wala kang motto? Bakit?
Wala akong naisip.
Wala kang naisip. Ilan taon ka na?
12 years old, paulit-ulit.
Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Matanda na. Kaya alam mo na, Tito Willie. Bakit ka sumali sa patimpalak na to?